Welcome back, Stock Smart family. Let's check out our current market today. See some of that market health. See what's advancing, what's declining, what the overall heat map looks like. And of course, we'll check out our grade A watch lists. Maybe we'll start out with some reversals. Let's see what's on the reversals on the daily. Let's see what's looking to reverse. Sips coffee. Okay. Maybe nothing quite on the reversal list yet. Let's check our Darvis box. And we'll go daily ADX crosses 30 or is greater than 30. So we'll go greater than 30. Some laggy lag there too. Come on, Thinkorswim. Don't let me down. It's your one chance, Fancy. Okay. It looks like for our Darvis buys for the daily, you can see some of these. Let's see, Macrogenics. MSC Industrial Direct. Okay. Norfolk Southern. I see a little horse in here. And TransUnion. Okay. So when our trend noise really lifted off of this, spot right here, we can see price took off. Okay. Or your trend noise balance is what we're following here. But we're also looking at a custom trend noise scan, a trend periods, and HA Cult is tucked in there just for good measure. Okay, so as we can see, we get a crossover here, consolidation, accumulation, TTM scalper signal down, trend noise down. The only thing that would have confused me here is HA Cult still being in a bullish. But I guess I do understand that. It went bullish here, and I mean, had you waited for the very bottom in recovery, which was way back here, or arguably here, all of this was just noise. Okay. Let's look at our 10-year Treasury notes. See where we hit our low. And your crossover was a good time. Right after a doji. Good time to buy. But interesting. Check this out. Look at this. Just about every single time. That's some odd charting. Okay. Not a whole lot we can learn off of this right now, not unless we're going to compare it to, other treasury notes and things like that, but Let's look up S triple Q, which, oh wow. Yeah, S triple Q. Hit a bottom, hit a low low. Now on the daily, it looks like our trend periods and trend noise and all of those fancy scans. Huh. Even though it was in a squeeze, it's being squeezed and forced down. Now, we're at about the height or the low of that squeeze here. Okay, you see our trend noise is about done. It's about to start rounding down. So, let's see here. I mean, this could continue to be going right on down. And let's just see. Pull up your Ichi. Your Ichi. And see how heavily it's being shorted on the daily. And it is. It's pretty heavy. This is heavy, downwards volume. Short. No bueno. Okay. But on the 4-hour chart, look at the type of recovery it's trying to make. It is now doji in the cloud. That's like Lucy in the sky, So, wait for doji to be out of the cloud. Or even, out of the cloud here. We can get some jumps. And let's back out here. And it looks like our 26 lagging, period. It looks like if it were not in the cloud, it would allow for the trade to be taken. So, TTM Scalper says it was a buy. TTM Scalper says it was a buy. Aside from this cloud being here, it says that it would be a good trade. Okay. Let me get our crossover here. Taking trades within the cloud is dangerous. Okay. Now, let's see what our VWAP, SHAF, and stoplight indicator has to say for today. All right, I haven't pulled out the stoplight indicator for a while, and it's because I was making my own. And now we've got our SHAF and our HA Colt indicator that we've put together. And I never really did finish building this bot. And I guess I could say because it was almost too good. It was almost too accurate. And I think it needs a little bit more work visually. Okay. Well, it looks like S triple Q went positive from here. Yeah, we're good to go. Let's see what other watch lists we can find. All right. Let's go for the Death Cross on the daily. See if anything's still way, way, way bearish. Or we could be looking for stuff short term to cross over and start playing the bearish bulls. Okay. Now, where did I have that? I think I have a, let's see, bearish daily. I had a bullish bear scan somewhere. And let's see our YouTube example. And we'll check our zigzag trend example too. Looks like zigzag trend sign daily. I like the little head and shoulder we can see. Yeah, just plotted in the, let's see, what is it? The STC. And zigzag trend signs, got plenty of things popping up. We could hone that one down a little bit. Let's go in here and do our four-way Arun for the daily. Now, our four-way Arun is looking for signs on, you guessed it, 4 different time periods. So, with our four-way Arun on the daily, or even 4-hour, we can find something to trade. Something that is in good favor. Not that we have to find anything to trade. And if it doesn't show us anything, then we don't have to take a trade. Let's see. Rune scan. There's our bearish bulls. Okay. Looks like our watch lists are loafing today. Come over and join the Discord. Come hang out. We've got our regular server. We've got our Signals server, which will be up and running as soon as more people join. And the signals will come from our watch lists that we build on our channel. So, market sentiment. Apple, AMC, CCL, Pfizer, FootU, Mara, Riot, OCGN, Netflix, SOS, Skills, and WBT, BKY, SGIOY, NCLH, JXHLY, and American Airlines. Shark Hunt. Okay. Ooh, breakout. Breakout of the support. Very good. Very good. Looks like we're low here. Finally hitting the bottom. Yeah. Let's see what happens. All right. We can see here on the 1 hour, we haven't quite broken out yet. But look at where it's sitting. Right here in this breakout. So what's going to happen? On the 4 hour chart, we're already hitting that breakout. But it looks like it could start to ride this trend all the way back up. I mean, I'd love to see it come down and hit this one and ride this one up. But either way, this is a much steeper run. And let's check out SOS. Yesterday, BTBT was going off. I was watching Bit Digital. Very good. So, all right. Well, market sentiment. Let's see if we can pull up some of those Darvis breakouts on the 4 hour. And it looks like American Airlines and Quadruple U. So, Energy Fuels, Quadruple U, looks like it's, gone bullish. American Airlines on the 4-hour chart, Shark Hunt. Okay. Not a whole lot. The market doesn't look real great today either. Doesn't mean we won't find something to trade, but means that we're not really that interested either. So we'll go ahead, stop it, sign off there, and I hope somebody catches a good run today, and I will see you in the next video. We have things to do today.